Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to continue our discussion about the Promptmetheus prompt engineering IDE tool, which I covered in my previous video. In this one, I want to answer some of your questions. So I prepared a series of 23 questions and answers for you. So please stick around and I will get into it right now. The first questions you guys might have is what this Promptmetheus is and what it does. So Promptmetheus is a platform designed to enhance prompt engineering for AI models. It provides tools for creating, testing, and optimizing prompts to improve the performance and relevance of responses generated by the language models. How does Promptmetheus differ from other prompt engineering tools? Promptmetheus stands out due to its focus on prompt composability, allowing users to create complex prompts by combining similar ones. It also offers real-time collaboration features and integrations with various APIs, making it versatile for both individual and team use. What types of users typically benefit from using Promptmetheus? Well, users who can benefit from it, there are a wide range of users who actually can use this particular one. It includes AI developers, data scientists, content creators, marketers, and researchers looking to leverage AI for generating text-based outputs. It's particularly useful for those who need to refine their prompts for better results. Is Promptmetheus suitable for beginners, or is it more geared towards experienced developers? Promptmetheus is designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features that experienced developers will appreciate. Tutorials and documentations help guide new users through the platform. Okay, so now let's focus on features and functionalities. So what are the key features of this Promptmetheus tool? So key features include prompt composability, combine simple prompts into more complex ones, model testing, test prompts across different language models, real-time collaborations, work with team members in real time, analytics dashboard, monitor performance metrics and prompts, integration capabilities, connect with third-party services and APIs. How does the prompt composability feature work? Prompt composability allows users to build complex prompts by chaining together simple ones. This modular approach enables users to experiment with different combinations of structures to find the most effective prompt configurations. Can I test prompts across different language models using Promptmetheus? Yes, of course you can. Promptmetheus supports testing prompts across multiple language models, allowing users to compare outputs and performance metrics to determine which model yields the best results for their specific case. What is an API AI programming interface and how does it function within Promptmetheus? To answer that, I'll go into the software itself and I'll show you guys. An API AI programming interface in Promptmetheus allows users to programmatically interact with AI models. Let's say that we want to go ahead and start this one, which I previously talked about it. Or let's start something from scratch, okay? So everything what you can see here is very intuitive, okay? This interface enables developers to automate prompt generation, testing, and making analysis, streaming workflows in AI applications. How can I estimate API cost when using Promptmetheus? Promptmetheus typically provides a cost estimation tool or calculator that allows users to input their expected usage. That is all shown here. When you go there, it's gonna be showing you what is the expected cost of this particular prompt. Okay, once you start prompting, usually it's shown here down there. But if you want to know more about it, I highly encourage you to go in their docs. Okay, and everything is explained clearly over here on how to use API keys. And also they are showing you about the pricing. Okay, so they saying like when you open the API dialog, you will see get an API key and model pricing links to the right of each provider. You can find out the data information for each provider under these links. I do encourage you to go and read it through. And obviously, just compare to the informations you have on your LLM model you're planning to link with Promptmetheus. Now let's talk about the collaboration and integration. Does Promptmetheus support real-time collaboration among team members? Yes, one of the standout features of Promptmetheus is its support for real-time collaboration. Team members can work together on prompts simultaneously, making it easy to brainstorm ideas and optimize outputs collectively. And I integrate Promptmetheus with third-party services like Notion or Zapier. Promptmetheus offers integration capabilities that allows users to connect with various third-party services. Users can set up workflows in platforms like Zapier or use APIs to connect with tools like Notion for seamless data transfer and project management. What types of external data sources can be connected to enhance prompts? Users can connect various external data sources such as databases, spreadsheets, or APIs that provide irrelevant information. This integration enriches the context available for prompts, leading to more informed and accurate AI-generated responses. Now let's talk about the pricing. Pricing is very important, and I want to cover it in more details. Okay, so is there a free trial available for Promptmetheus? Many platforms similar to Promptmetheus offer a free trial of a freemium model. Okay, users should check the websites for each and every one. Is there a free trial available for Promptmetheus? There is a free trial available, and you have an access for 7 days from the time you sign up. Okay, after that, there is a few options available for you guys. There's a $29 a month, $49 a month, and $99 a month. In all those bundles, the free trial is included. What are the pricing tiers for using Promptmetheus? As previously mentioned, they have a three tiers: free ones, $29, $49, and $99. So yeah, it's for 4 actually bundles, but you start it for free for 7 days, and then you need to start paying for it if you decided to use it. Are there any hidden fees associated with using the platform? Typically, reputable platforms like Promptmetheus strive for transparency in their pricing structure. However, users should carefully review the terms of service and pricing details on the website to ensure they understand all potential costs. What kind of performance analytics does Promptmetheus provide? Promptmetheus offers an analytics dashboard that tracks key performance metrics such as response accuracy, prompt effectiveness, usage statistics, and cost analysis. This data helps users refine their prompts over time. How can I export my prompts and data from Promptmetheus? Most platforms include options for exporting data in various formats like CSV, JSON. Users should look for an export feature within their account settings or documentation that outlines how to download their prompts and associated data. Is there customer support available if I encounter issue with using the tool? Yes, customer support is generally available through various channels such as email, chat, or a help center. Users should check their website for specific support options. Is there a customer support available if I encounter issues while using the tool? Yes, definitely it is. You can contact guys via an email or support center. What programming skills are required to use Promptmetheus effectively? While basic programming knowledge can enhance the user experience, especially when working with APIs, many features are designed to be user-friendly enough that no programmers can navigate them effectively. Can I use my own API keys with Promptmetheus, and how does that work? Yes, of course you can. Typically input their own API keys within their account settings. This allows them to connect their accounts with external services or models they wish to utilize through Promptmetheus. What limitations should I be aware of when using different LLMs with Promptmetheus? Limitations might include differences in model capabilities, like token limits, for example, response times, or specific functionalities unique to each model. Users should consult documentation related to each supported model for detailed specifications. What are common challenges new users face when starting with Promptmetheus? New users may find challenges in understanding how best to structure prompts or leverage advanced features effectively. Familiarizing themselves with tutorials and community forums can help mitigate these challenges. Are there any tutorials or resources available to help users learn how to use the platform effectively? Yes, most platforms like Promptmetheus offer tutorials, documentations, FAQs, and community forums where users can find helpful resources. These materials are designed to assist both beginners and advanced users in maximizing their experience on the platform. feel free to ask if you need any further clarifications or any of those specific questions. Okay, guys, so just as I said, like, you definitely you can leave down there inside the description if you want to if you want to ask me any additional questions regarding this particular one. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Also, thank you very much.